Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, May 10th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework tonight, it's going to be important that you listen to me because we did not have Warrior time today, so some of these subjects have not been updated from yesterday. You need to listen to what I say as it is important. In math, there is no homework. However, if you did not present today, you need to be able to do your mini graph presentation tomorrow in class. Be prepared for that. In science, you've got a brain pop review, or you have brain pop, and you also need a review for your safety quiz. In social studies, I believe there is no homework. We had the travel fair today. In language arts, it says pigtails and protest play and quiz. That was actually due today. I believe you are able to go through and edit and revise your prom promise letter and submit that tomorrow before we do Free Write Friday. In Lit, we need to read AR. All points are due on May 18th. We also need to study vocab. And today, that was that extra credit opportunity where if you write 5 sentences using Out of the Dust vocab, if they're good enough, you could see them coming up on our end of unit test. That's it for today. Make it a great one.